Dear Professor, I am Hw1. I will like to submit my homework 1.3. It is testing of the pneumatic system controller by PLC. And first, design requirement. It is use the PLC to control the pneumatic system and make the signal follow diagram A+, B+, A negative, B negative. And design requirement like this stamp 1, cylinder A and cylinder B both stop in their original positions. And step 2, press the start button. The position of cylinder A is stamped, which is A+. And step 3, after the position of cylinder A reach A1, and the position of cylinder B is stamped, which is B+. And step 4, after the position of the cylinder B reach B1, and the position the cylinder B retracts when what is B negative. And step 5, after the position of cylinder B reach B0, the position of the cylinder A retracts, which is A4. And finally, the piston of a cylinder A reaches A0, and the cylinder A and B to return to their original positions. And this is a pneumatic diagram. This is the electro-pneumatic system diagram of the fluid steam solved. And when the start button is pressed, K1 will be turned on, and the normally open contacts K1 also turn on, and so Y1 turn on, and the Y1 turn on, and the position of the cylinder A will be extended. That is A+. And then when the position of the cylinder A reach A1, the A1, the contact A1 will turn on, so Y3 turn on, and Y3 turn on, so the position piston of the cylinder B will be extended. This is B+. And when the position of the cylinder B reached B1, and this the contact B1 contact will be turned off, so K1, Y1, Y3 also turn off, and then Y4, K1 will turn on, so Y4 will be turned off, so the position of cylinder B will be retracted, that is B negative. And when the position of cylinder B returns to B1 here, B1, so the instant so the context B1 here will turn on, so Y2 will be turned on. Y2 will turn on, Y2 will on, so cylinder A will be returns. Finally, when the finally the position of the cylinder A will be returned to A0, and when the start button is pressed, the moment runs will be run again. And next step is to design the PLC program to equip the requirements just the motion mentioned. Before the design PLC diagram, first assign the input and output the interface of the PLC, and start is the start signal input. A0, A1, B0, B1 is the piston position signal input point of the two cylinders, and A plus, A negative, B plus, B negative are the control signal outputs for the instance and retractions of the pistons of the two cylinders. And after the dividing the input and output points, design the PLC leader diagram according to the control requirement. This is leader diagram. And next, I will explain the leader diagram. And after press the start button, I0.00 is turned on, and I0.01 is turned on by the default. So K1 will be turned on, and then K1 turned on, and then Y1 will be turned on, and the cylinder A will extend. When the cylinder A extend to A1 extend to A1 here will be turned on, so Y3 will be turned on, and then cylinder B extend. And when the cylinder B extend to B1 here extend B1, that's I0.04 will be disconnect. This vertical, so K1, Y1 and Y3 is also disconnect, and then Y4 and then the Y4 is turned on. So the cylinder B retracts. When the cylinder B retracts to B1 here, B1, so I0.03 here will be turned on, and Y2 is turned on. Then the cylinder A is retracted. Finally, it returns to their initial state, and after the start button is pressed again, the above operation can be repeated. And this picture is the physical connection diagram, and then text to complete the control requirement. And watch the video.
Please start. And then
Okay. This is my homework. Please give me some advice. Thank you.